Yeah, the next thing, situational awareness. Being a biker, you have to be absolutely aware of your surroundings and your situation. You need to know where the next vehicle is coming from. You need to know where vehicles are. You need to know your road conditions, what the next pothole might look like or where that might be. So your situational awareness as a biker definitely need to be on a much higher level than, for instance, a person in a vehicle, because you need to adapt. You need to know your situation and you need to adapt to that situation much quicker. And obviously, failing to have situational awareness can have big consequences for you as a biker. So that definitely helps you also to be a better prepper, because you do develop your situational awareness skills, and you definitely need good situational skills, situational awareness skills to be a proper biker, and that definitely helps you to be a better prepper as well.